Hello, I'm Jason Cowling, and in this video I will be discussing my results from the Module 4 video, Chromatography at Home. Along with this video, I'll also post a few photos that loosely follow my steps during this experiment. As for the results, I was able to obtain separate pigment bands in two of my substances. I used three different types of leaves. I used basil, which you will also see in basil everywhere. I used a plant called kalalo that a lot of Jamaicans and Caribbean people eat. I'm Jamaican myself, so I was able to get the plant very easily, as well as a plant that I just picked off a tree from outside. I couldn't tell you the scientific or common name of the plant at the time. As for the results, I was able to get separate pigment bands, a yellow and green pigment band for my basil sample and my tree sample. From the sample of kalalo, I was only able to get a yellow band, but I believe that I do have some traces of green that can be found in there. Now, this can mean that the plant is probably impure, or that it just didn't have time to separate all the way. Meaning those green bonds are not as polar as the other two green bonds in the basil and tree sample. During this experiment, in my photos, you will also see 6 pieces of coffee filter. The reason you see 6 is I used 2 per sample, and the sample will be placed right behind the 2 strips of coffee filter for each sample. So they should be pretty easy to identify, and I have it from left to right: basil, kalalo, and then the tree sample. Thank you.